Okay. What we're doing here, these Pontiac cylinder heads had knock-in guides that were installed incorrectly. Whoever drilled them must have used a dull reamer because they were tapered and they were real loose. So a 502 guide just had no press fit. I tried a 504 guide, still not tight. What I did was I ended up boring these out for a 562 3-inch knock-in guide on the IDL. I bored them concentric with the seat as best I could, and then I pressed in these 9/16 cast iron guides. I just finished knocking them all down to the right height, and I got my PC cutter, and I also used a spring seat cutter. You see it? To clean up the bottom of the locator because it was kind of offset. All right. Again, whoever did them before is they bored them, and that's what's done. What's done is done. So now I got my PC cutter on here, and we're gonna basically machine this down for a metal clad Viton seal. All right. Here we go. Get up and over, you can see it. We're just doing the two end ones, all the others are done. As soon as it starts putting the chamfer on the top, I know it's done. Okay. Now I'm going to float my table over and do the other side. It's an air float table, I can put it wherever I want. Float it over, center it up on the pilot, and we're off. See it? We'll vacuum up the chips and we'll finish the rest of the procedure. I'm going to take a little chamfering tool and just ease that edge and then ream them and valve job them. That's it. Cut.